It's the Nick Jr. vending machine! We can use one of our tokens to vend a friend. Who should we play with first? How about Chase?
Let's roll!
His numbers are 7, 2, 6. We're on the case!
Hang on tight!
Hello, Chase!
Mighty Pups, I have a plan. Mighty Marshall, it's time to go hot dog on those nets. Super idea, Team Leader Chase. Now, Rubble, use your super strength.
No job too big, no pop too small. Mighty Pups, you're on a roll. Mighty Pups!
Mighty Pups are on a roll.
Hey, no more Mr. Nice Robot.
Zuma, make a mini lake in front of him.
A puddle to stop massive me?
Everest, some ice would be nice.
Ice board.
Should've learned how to skate.
Mighty Pups!
Oh, not again! Let's keep playing! Want to find out who the mystery friend is? The mystery numbers are 409.
This is super cool.
Who could it be? It's Bossy Bear!
Phew, I can't believe that worked. I feel bad for tricking him, but whoa! This is like a fun amusement park ride. Okay, now it's like a scary ride. The car's not worth it. I don't want another holographic gummy guardian that badly. Don't worry, Turtle. I'll stop this cart right now. Whoa! Whoa!
Let's bring along another buddy. Wanna surf with Zuma? His numbers are 504.
Let's dive in.
Woohoo!
Time to do the wave.
Almost there.
Hello, Zuma.
Zuma, use your sub to search the seafloor for those glasses.
Ready, set, get wet. Oh, oh. Submarine.
Ryder, I found the glasses. A crab picked them up and is clowning around for his underwater bros.
Okay, just move slowly. We don't want to startle them.
Claw.
Just be gentle. Oh, there! How about a trade, dude? You were one clowny crab.
Ready to vend another friend? Let's swim with Baby Shark. His numbers are 952.
Let's do it.
Jawsome! Hello, Baby Shark!
Come on, let's round up our toys.
We better hurry or we'll lose them in the treacherous Rustler Canyon. Watch out! Those cacti are pricklier than a pufferfish.
This isn't a canyon. It's just the living room. And these are just houseplants.
Take a closer look, cowboys.
Well, I'll be. It is a canyon.
Yes, sirree. And to get across, we're going to have to swim very carefully. Careful.
Oh, easy now.
cowboys who won't get past the pillow rock slide. Show 'em, Dincy!
Giddy up! Swim like the wind!
Yeehaw!
Ready for another round? Let's invite Peppa this time. Her numbers are 2, 6, 8.
Oh, goody!
Hello, Peppa.
This is the land of dinosaurs.
Wow!
This is how the world looked a long time ago, before houses and cars and stuff. Here is a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Ooh!
And over there is a Triceratops. One is a herbivore and the other is a carnivore. Oh, look! They are playing together, just as they would have done.
Amazing! This is exactly as it would have been all those millions of years ago.
Except for the train.
All aboard! There you are again, Miss Rabbit, driving the train. Full steam ahead! Where's it going now?
To tiny modern land.
Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, the train runs on the track. Puff and puff, clickety-clickety-clack. This is like where we live, Peppa. Yes, there are houses and cars and hills and trees and trains and planes and boats.
It's a busy world. 24-hour non-stop.
Stop! Oh, it's broken.
No, it's not. Look there.
Stop! It's a tiny little Mr. Bull digging up the road.
Look, it's the Nick Jr. vending machine. We can use these tokens to vend a friend. Who should we play with first? How about Rubble? Let's enter his numbers. 2, 6, 8.
Fantastic! Let's bow wow build!
Hello, Rubble.
Wait till you see this.
Auntie Crane's almost done baking the cake.
Gotta hurry. Let's bow wow build a skate park for Auntie Crane. Grab it, lift it, move it. Rubble on the double. Auntie Crane can do some cool skateboard moves on this pipe. After a quick mix-fix, another tool. Full pipe. Half pipe. And done, done, done.
Let's vend another friend. How about a race with Blaze? 4, 8, 6. All right. He's speeding to the finish line.
Oh, yeah!
Woo-hoo!
Okay, team, let's get to work.
Hello, Blaze.
Dinosaur teams, on your marks. Get set. Go!
Dino, Dino Derby. T-Rex and Triceratops. Gonna pull out all the stops. Wanna hear your roar, now let's get louder. Gonna use that prehistoric power.
Ready to vend another friend? Let's swim with Baby Shark. His numbers are 9, 5, 2.
Let's do it!
Awesome! Hello, Baby Shark!
There's something fishy going on here. And it's not just us.
There must be some fishy out there who doesn't want Vola to skate tomorrow.
But who could it be? There's only one way to find out. Okay. None of us are taking our eyes off this board until Vola's Skatefish exhibition tomorrow.
Right!
A mysterious shadowy figure. Got you now, thief!
What? Vola's rogue tentacle?
Vola, wake up!
What's going on? Did you catch the culprit?
We did, and it's you!
Bum, bum, bum! But how? I was asleep.
Your rogue tentacle is the master criminal we've been looking for.
Let's bring along another buddy. Gaskets! It's Crusher! His numbers are 109.
Whee! Look at me go! Ha! I don't need help.
Hello, Crusher. What are you up to this time?
I could finally buy a super skateboard from my Grammy.
Buckle up, astronauts. We've got to hurry and buy that present before Grammy's party.
Time for Rocket Ship Blazing Speed!
To give our rocket ship blazing speed, say, let's blaze! Let's blaze!
Like one super skateboard, please.
That'll be 50 truck bucks.
Here you go. Yeah!
All right!
Ready for another round? Let's invite Peppa this time. Her numbers are 268.
Oh, goody.
Hello, Peppa.
Daddy, can I have a go on your skateboard?
Skateboarding is quite difficult, even for a grown-up like me.
Yes, you don't have anything to hold on to.
Please, can I have a go?
Well, maybe Daddy could give you a lesson.
Yes, I think you're just old enough to learn.
Yippee!
It's best to start off slowly, like this.
Daddy Pig is good at skateboarding.
Now it's your turn, Peppa.
Yay!
Put one foot on the board and push with the other.
Well done, Peppa.
And now try it with both feet on the board.
Look at me! Wow!
Well done!
I can skateboard!
Look, it's the Nick Jr. vending machine. We can use these tokens to vend a friend. Who should we play with first? How about a race with Blaze? 4, 8, 6. All right. He's speeding to the finish line.
Oh, yeah! Woo-hoo! Okay, team, let's get to work.
Hello, Blaze.
Whew. We've got to be careful, or else we'll get trapped in a big bad bubble, too.
Hey, I've got an idea. Now that we're knights, we can pop the bubbles.
You're right, Sir AJ. We can use our swords.
Yeah, we just have to divide them so we each pop the same number of bubbles. Check it out. There are 2 knights. and 6 bubbles. So what if we divide the bubbles like this? Do we each have the same number of bubbles? No, the bubbles aren't divided equally. So what if we divide the bubbles like this? Now do we have the same number of bubbles? Yeah, we each have 3. They're divided equally.
Bubbles divide!
Ready to vend another friend? Shall we cook up some fun with Tiny Chef? His numbers are 9, 5, 2. Okay.
Woo! Don't worry, I'm bloated.
Hello, Tiny Chef.
Ollie, what is a marshmallow?
Yep, I'm ready to marshmallow. S'mores can be cooked on a campfire, but today, we're cooking them in the oven.
Into the oven we go.
Remember, Tiny Chefs at home, ovens get really hot. So they're for grown-up use only.
And while these s'mores bake,
It's time for this.
ta-da! Oh, they smell delicious.
Let's vend another friend. How about Rubble? Let's enter his numbers. 2, 6, 8.
And Mayor Goodway is almost down.
Rubble! I'm so glad to see you! I love this town, but I'm not too fond of being stuck on top of it.
Just step on Rubble's grabber and hold on tight, Mayor.
Okay! I'm coming down, Chicoletto!
Did my wing flinger come this way?
Wing flinger? Mr. Wingnut, is that flying disc one of your inventions?
It sure is.
And I threw it. Kind of.
No! Please stop that bell ringer, wing flinger, wild flying finger! Whoa!
Hi, Mayor. I'm all done fixing your statue.
Oh, why, thank you, Rocky.
Rubble, quick, lower your crane.
Going down.
Thank you, Rubble.
Let's keep playing. Let's swim with Baby Shark. His numbers are 9, 5, 2.
Let's do it.
Jawsome! Hello, Baby Shark.
Ready or not, here I come.
Oh man, gotta hide! Okay, William, be cool, be cool. Sharks can smell fear.
I smell a fishy. Oh, and an underwater lily. Now wait, where was I? Oh yeah. Come out, wherever you are.
Oh, you are a fearless fish. You don't even know the definition of fear. Fear, noun, an unpleasant emotion caused by the belief that someone or something is dangerous. Oh no, now I do know the definition.
Feels like I'm getting warmer.
How can I be sweating underwater? Hey, mister, tell the world my story.
I gotcha.
Let's keep playing. Let's invite Peppa this time. 7, 2, 6.
Oh, goody.
Hello, Peppa.
Okay, let's play a looking game. Find something that is the shape of a square.
A square?
Yes, there must be something square-shaped in this room.
Can you see a square, George?
George has found a clock.
That's a circle. Oh, we need to find a square. That picture is a square.
Ha ha! Very good. You found a square.
Hooray! What should we look for now?
Now you must find something that makes a squeaky noise.
Something that makes a squeaky noise.
Try looking in the bathroom.
Okay.
Look! It's the Nick Jr. vending machine. We can use these tokens to vend a friend. Who should we play with first? Want to fly with Sky? Let's enter her numbers. 1, 0, 3.
I'm on it. Let's take to the sky.
Possum! Hello, Sky.
Someone grab the harness.
I am the brave one, so Horatio, you go first.
Me? But I'm the courageous cousin. Here, you go first.
Whoa!
Thanks.
One up, one to go. Visor.
Those snapping plants are gonna make this tricky.
Must grab the... Whoa!
That dino is going too fast.
Zut alors! Whoa, Dino Bronco! Whoa!
It's okay, Francois. I'll get you.
Let's vend another friend. How about a race with Blaze? 4, 8, 6. All right. He's speeding to the finish line.
Oh, yeah! Woo-hoo! Okay, team, let's get to work.
Hello, Blaze.
Get ready. More tiger stones rolling this way. How many stones are there this time? 3, right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! We've almost made it to the top. But to get there, we'll have to get past the most tiger stones yet. How many tiger stones are there? 5. Yeah! Go for it, Blaze! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Yeah! We did it! We made it past the tiger stones!
Ready to vend another friend? Let's swim with Baby Shark. His numbers are 9, 5, 2.
Let's do it.
Jawsome! Hello, Baby Shark.
William, hit it.
If you feel like you're stuck in some other fishy's current, remember the ocean can't stop being blue. So why would you stop being you? Watch out, world! Here we come. We're making waves tonight, dancing on water, water, water. It's flowing through me, I can tell. Dancing on water, water, water. Don't need to move like any fishy else. I'm breaking out of my shell. Never felt so much like myself. Shark, shark! Teeny tiny tap. Make the tardigrades go brrrr. Dancing on water, water, water. It's flowing through me, I can tell. Dancing on water, water, water. Don't need to move like any fishy else. We'll make it
to vend another friend. Let's hang with Goby this time. 4, 0, 5, enter. Whoa! He's swimming our way. Fantastic!
Cool!
Hello, Goby.
Oh no! Eli! Maybe this button with the yellow fin on it can grab them?
Hit it!
Got him! Spotty, hang on! We're gonna pull you back! Our truck isn't strong enough! We need more power! What are we gonna do?
Look! That looks like Eli's mom!
She's so strong!
That's it, Mom!
Thank goodness! You're safe now, Eli. Back with your mama.
Ready for another round? Let's invite Peppa this time. Her numbers are 2, 6, 8.
Oh, goody.
Hello, Peppa.
Grumpy Rabbit has rolled the present all the way to Dr. Hamster's surgery.
What's that noise? We've got a present for you, Dr. Hamster.
Oh, thank you. Hey, I wonder what it is.
Why don't you open it and find out?
All right. Oh, that's lovely. What is it exactly?
I just need to fix it in place. Get in and jog.
All right. This is amazing!
It's a hamster wheel.
Yes! Every hamster should have one.
Dr. Hamster loves hamster wheels. Every hamster loves hamster wheels.
Look, it's the Nick Jr. vending machine. We can use these tokens to vend a friend. Who should we play with first? How about Rubble? Let's enter his numbers. 2, 6, 8.
Fantastic! Let's bow wow Bill!
Hello, Rubble.
Wait till you see this.
Rubble, you're gonna scoop that sidecar out of the bay with your rig.
How will I get there?
By swinging down, connecting to Wildcat and Chase.
Ram! Ripper Claws! Rough! Winch! We're coming in hot! Arf! Scoop!
Oh, I can't watch.
Meow meow! You're welcome. We kitty cats need to stick together. Now let's go up! Detach! Rocky, special delivery! Gotcha! Yeah!
Ready to vend another friend? Let's swim with Baby Shark. His numbers are 9, 5, 2.
Let's do it!
Jawsome! Hello, Baby Shark!
Super Shark and Captain Kelp on the lookout for trouble.
All's well at the treat shop.
And a flow down.
If you little fishies are ready for the flow down, say yo flow.
Yo, Flo! I live for dance.
Ah, look at that, Super Shark. Carnivore Cove's nice and peaceful.
And we are gonna keep it that way. Superhero montage, away!
Uh-oh, tentacle tangle. Whoa, thank you.
Help!
What's the problem?
I need models for my art class. Perfection, my heroes.
My bubble-loon! Yay!
Thanks for your help, Super Shark and Captain Kelp.
No, Mr. Clownfish, thank you. Nothing like chum yums after a long day of being a superhero.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to the Nick Jr. YouTube channel for new videos every day. And find more of your favorite shows on TV on Nickelodeon and the Nick Jr. channel.